Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me an email over the last couple of days. I've done a video where if you hit the plus sign on your keyboard and then hold down the shift key, your circle grows from the center outward. Same thing with a rectangle. Hit your plus key, hold down your shift key, and it will do this. But they're saying they can't get it to work for a triangle. And it doesn't work for a triangle. As you can see, the bottom has a lot bigger gap than the side. It's because a triangle, let me delete that, is not a centerable item. Let's put it in the center of the page. Now let's take some indexing lines and bring an indexing line and hit P, and bring an indexing line and hit P. You can see that the center of this triangle, Corel is thinking, is right here. It's really, somewhere right in here. It's just some sort of weight of that object, as far as everything. So what we can do, if you want to, and you could do this on all these, let's take away this other, is just use the contour tool. Go to Effects and Contour, and let's contour to the inside 1 inch. And at the same time, you can do all three of these items. You see your contour tool grays out. But if you go to Object Group and Control G and group them together, then you can do them all at one time and they're all perfect and in the center. So especially if you need to know, if this is let's just make an example. Let's delete all this. If you needed a 12-inch circle, well, let's make it a 30-inch circle for the video so maybe you can see it better. And I want the next circle to be 25 inches, I'm not going to hit the plus key on the keyboard and bring it in, because I'd have to watch the number to the left. And then I could do that, and then all I have to do with your ratio lock is just make it 25 inches. And you've got it done. But the quicker way to do that, to me, is just take this, contour to the inside 2.5 inches, and now you have break this apart. Now you have a 25-inch circle inside there. The reason I went 2.5 is because it's going to do 2.5 inches in all four directions. So you need to kind of take that into effect. If we did 5 inches, if you did a 5-inch contour, it'd be way too little of a circle. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.